welcome back to Fighting 50. Today I'm going to show you my morning skincare routine for Fridays. Each day of the week I have I tweak the routine a little bit, so it's not the same every day, but today's Fridays, so let's get to it. So I have washed and pat dried my face. So on Fridays, I then I'm going to start with my vitamin C. Now my pores are open and ready to just drink this up. Now I'm going to apply my retinol vitamin A from Image around my eyes. I'm going to apply this eye nourishing treatment. Now I want to stimulate my face. I want to bring the blood supply to my face. The tapping actually makes your circulation, makes the circulation come to your skin. So it's different than actual massage. Now I'm going to put my Rosehip Seed Oil on. I use a generous amount of this because I really feel like my skin reaps the benefits from it. This aids in the elasticity of your skin, which I need gallons of. So now I want my skin to have time to drink this up. So I'm going to use this. Now that I stimulated my skin, I am going to put the ragon oil, 100%. As you can see, my products are all natural. I don't like to put chemicals on my skin. I feel like it's just not. Your skin is a sponge, and what you put on it is absorbed into your body. So don't be fooled into thinking that if you put something on your skin, it's not going to affect the rest of you, because it will. Your skin has millions and millions of little openings. Those pores drink in whatever you're putting on there. So if it's nourishment or if it's chemicals, your skin is drinking it. And it's supplying it to your blood, and it is going inside of you. That's why women use estrogen, right? The hormones, estrogen hormone or whatever hormone, testosterone, estrogen, progesterone, all those hormones, you could get them in cream form. You literally put a pea amount, like this much, a little tiny amount on your skin, and it is absorbed, and that tiny little amount goes inside your entire body and fixes your hormonal imbalance. So if you could imagine that tiny little bit is going inside of you, imagine all the creams you're putting on your face, they're going in your body. Like, we're not unaware of this. We might just not want to believe it. I use this. This also helps to drain your lymph nodes. So you're going to want to drink a lot of water when you're using this type of massage. Now I'm going to use my hands to massage a little. Deep breathing. Once this sets in, I usually wait about, I want to say, 5 minutes. It's the only thing you want to put on your lips is organic, natural. Imagine that goes straight in your mouth. So then after I wait 5 minutes to let everything be absorbed into my skin, I use a sunblock by Belly Beauty. It is a wonderful sunblock. It also has a little tint to it. So it's kind of like a little bit of a cover-up as well as a sunblock, which is great. So thank you for tuning in to my morning routine on Fridays. And I will be posting the other routines that I use throughout the week. I hope this helped. I hope you enjoyed it. I will link all the products down below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like my videos. Comment down below. Like I always say, I love your comments. Hit notifications if you want to know when my next video will be up. I post quite often, so you might want to hit that if you want to see the next one. And have a wonderful and blessed week. Bye.